reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding BMW R1250 RT. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of luxury sport touring motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the BMW R1250 RT. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The BMW R1250 RT is a powerful and comfortable sport touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,254 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The R1250 RT's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Advanced electronics, features like cruise control, ABS, and multiple riding modes enhance safety and convenience. Comfortable ergonomics, the relaxed riding position, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen make for long-distance comfort. Spacious storage, ample storage space in the saddlebags and top case for long journeys. Luxurious features, heated grips, heated seats, and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Design and aesthetics. The R1250 RT has a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a modern and sophisticated look. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The R1250 RT is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable sport touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The R1250 RT has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The R1250 RT is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium sport touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other sport touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular sport touring motorcycles, the BMW R1250 RT stands out for its advanced technology and premium features. Its reverse gear, adaptive cruise control, and luxurious amenities make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The BMW R1250 RT is a well-rounded sport touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable sport touring motorcycle, the R1250 RT is definitely worth considering.